Did a little bit of staining today. Trying to get ready to put these along the edge. They're a little darker than I think I wanted, but they're not bad. And I got some of the burn pile, got rid of a lot of this garbage that was here, so the burn pile's all gone, everything that was over along this side over here. But we will get there slowly but surely. Alright, chat later. Doing some work on the porch today. Get it all kind of cleaned out of here. And we're going to rebuild this front wall. Here's the first one. I'm going to build that one. But it is starting to rain out again.